Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. Um,
Good evening.
hey, how you doing?
Good.
All right, good. Okay. Nathan, that's you? How
Yes, sir.
you doing, sir? All is well?
Not good.
What? What happened?
I got a mock test and I feel like taking it
Ah, when is the math test?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. What's the topic?
The worst subject,
What is it?
algebra.
Algebra? No, man.
Mm.
Algebra is nice. Algebra is
No,
nice.
it's not. No, it's not. It is
Algebra.
the worst subject in math.
No, I don't believe that. No, man, how you can say about my subject? Huh? No, man.
No, 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 no. It is horrible.
Oh, I know.
That has hurt your brain.
And guess what we starting off today with?
Oh, Mr. Petit, no, man.
Yes, in this class, we love algebra. Trust me. We always do algebra. If it's one thing we do in
Mr. Petit, no, man.
real, honestly, I'm telling you. So, well, you can learn to love it. Trust me. And Albernike. Albernike. Let's see. Albernike, let's see.
Hello.
Hey, Albernike, I get barely hear from you, man. What happened? You ducking me?
No,
Huh?
hello.
You sure? You sure, sure?
Yes, sir, I'm talking you.
Okay. All right. All right, that's good. And Diamond. How you doing, Diamond?
I'm good.
Were you here yesterday, Diamond?
No, sir.
No, what happened? What happened yesterday?
I got really scared. We had classes.
Oh, you was having too much fun. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I saw you. I saw you at the beach. I saw you. I saw you chilling out. I saw you, Diamond. And Cesaria. How you doing, Cesaria? You're good? All right. And Jasonique. How you doing, Jasonique? I'm not hearing from Jasonique. Letray. How you doing, Mr. Letray?
Fine, thank you.
All right, that's good. And how was the day, Mr. McKenzie?
It was good. It was all right. It was all right.
All right. All right. All right. It's all right, D. All right. What school you attend again?
See how Walker.
C.R. Walker. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 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 That's true. That's true. Can I say C.R. Walker the Great or no? What is it?
You asked me if it's a good school or no.
I'm asking, should I say C.R. Walker the Great or how should I describe it? Your description.
Well, nights, I guess.
Right? All right.
Nights.
Nights? You say nights?
Nights.
Nights.
Nights in Shamstein and Mama. I
Yeah.
guess you can say it like that.
All right. All right. C.R. Walker Nights. So you're a knight. All right.
Yeah.
All right, sir. Yes. I can see a shining armor from here. All right. And Sienna. Did I ever pronounce that right? Sienna Road.
Yes, sir.
This is day 2 for you. Day number 2. How you feeling?
Good.
Good. All right. And like Noah. Where's Noah?
Yeah, so,
Were you here yesterday?
no, so.
What happened? You was chilling on holiday.
I was tired.
You sure? Or you was chilling like a villain? Sound like you was chilling like a villain, man.
No, I was sleeping.
That's what I mean. He's chilling. While we was in here, killing our brains. Our brains was frying. No, it's chilling. Oh my. No, you don't love us no more? What happened?
I ain't said that.
All right, but you're all right though.
Yeah, so
It's good to have you today. And Deja.
Yes, sir.
What happened yesterday?
One second.
1 second. Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I was here, but only for a short time because I was on the internet, right? I wasn't home, but I was on the internet, and I joined, and I was there for just a couple of seconds, and then it just dropped, like everything gone black. And then I tried to click the link over and over again, and I keep saying it's waiting for you to start the meeting. And I click it every 15 minutes, and it didn't work. I emailed you about it, but you didn't respond.
Oh, I know exactly what happened.
What happened?
When you came, that's when we ended our class. And I said, she probably didn't get the memo. Yeah. Amaya? There's Amaya.
Yes, sir.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
No, I don't talk to you.
Please, don't talk to me.
I didn't tell you what's going down from first. You didn't know. You say you wouldn't even call me. That's why you didn't know. So I was like, he ain't call. You didn't know.
All right, Amaya, don't talk to me in class today. No.
It's holiday.
No, Amaya. No.
See, you didn't know because you didn't call me. You didn't even message because I know you like do that. You like call people. You didn't even do none of that.
I say, you know what? She chilling. While all that slaving in there. Zion trying her best to stay awake. Thank you, Zion, for being so loyal. There's Zion. Shout outs to Zion.
I know she wanted to be there, boys.
Zion was barely keeping herself awake in this class. And she pushed through though.
Fighting some serious demons.
Yes, indeed. And but Amaya she going chill out. Jason. There's Jason.
Yes, sir.
You see how your fellow classmate is good? See that?
That's a Maya for you.
That's Amaya for you. I know, right? Oh my.
Like, come to a break for the have it.
All right, we totally understand. How was the day though, Amaya?
It was good.
That's
It
good.
was
All right, that's good. I like that. In math, which all. Hey, Amaya, in math, which all on?
Oh, we on. What to call? I don't know how to pronounce it. Cumulative frequency, like with the graph.
Cumulative frequency. Y'all on big things, man. Y'all doing big things.
Right?
Y'all doing big things. That's good. I like cumulative frequency. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. And who else I could ask? I know there's a lot of us in there. What else I haven't seen in a while? Okay. How you doing, Divine?
I'm good.
All right, that's good. I like that you're good. And Otessa Albury. Where's Otessa? Is she here? Otessa, are you here? Otessa Albury. No, I don't hear from her. Oh, that's why I spoke. Michaela. How you doing, Michaela? Oh, Otessa, that's you?
I'm good.
Where's Otessa? Where's Otessa? Is that you? I could barely hear you. Say it again. Otessa.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. I'm surprised you even came today. I thought you wasn't coming. And I heard the news, so you know, just you know, it's sad. So you know, just be encouraged with that. So, all right.
Oh, good afternoon.
Mr. Bethel,
Yes, sir.
surprise us today. Surprise the currency.
I got it done yesterday because I was to a cookout.
He's
Yes, sir.
enjoying the holiday.
Yes, sir.
Leave us right there at the parish.
No, it ain't like that, man. It ain't like that.
No. You
I
and the
still
Maya. You and the
I
Maya.
still have food in the fridge.
You and the Maya in the same boat. Y'all teach us.
It ain't
All
like
right.
that, man.
I say, all right. All right. Okay, let's get to business. I want us to look at something very important. I would think there's something that all of us should know how to do. And I hope that y'all actually get it, you know. Hopefully after like the third example, maybe, I think y'all would get it. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It is Tuesday. Okay, good. It is Tuesday. All right. Today is Tuesday. Oh, by the way, the good news is that we don't have laptop problems today. So that's the good news. Today is what, 11th of October. 2022. The subject is, of course, mathematics. We're going to begin with mathematics. And after mathematics, then we're going to do health science and general science. So for those who are staying back for health science and general science, I can't wait for that. Okay, so mathematical concepts. And you know what? Today, this might seem like an easy topic, but students has mixed this up for some reason. All right, so we're going to begin with section 1, which I hope that all of us, you know, get right. Some of you have probably heard it before. Elapsed time. Now, I think elapsed is spelled like that. I hope. Is the S before the P or the P before S? Can't remember. All right, so elapsed time.
It has always been the English teacher that don't know how to spell. Like, I don't understand.
Listen, I'm a math teacher. That's why I'm a math teacher.
And you teach English Bgcse zero.
Yeah, I mean, I do. I do. And it's been a word.
Teach at the school in real life.
What? No, I teach it at a school in fake life. You know, in the virtual reality. Yeah, that's where I teach.
What school you teach at?
No, in the fake life. In the fake life. Not in real life.
Real.
I teach at New Horizon Academy. That's on Carmichael Road West. I don't know if y'all know it, but there's a schools where that's the one on. It was wear the red and the khaki. All right.
That's a government school or private school?
No, that dying government.
That's a small private.
Yeah, trust me. If it was government, I don't know if I'd be alive today. I don't know. All right. Okay, so all right, let's begin. We're gonna be looking at word problems. So we're gonna be looking at Janet. So let's say that Janet went on a journey. I don't know where she gone, but this journey took. Oh, my apologies. Please, I know y'all can eat me alive. I need to do something before I do this. Prerequisite information. I know, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. All right. I want us to construct a table. Let's see, hopefully not too long, but I think it's enough. And I want us to, on the one side, to put the 12-hour clock. And on the other side, I want us to put the 24-hour clock. Now, can someone tell me, what is a 24-hour clock also known as? Like, what's the other name that we could call it, the 24-hour clock?
Military time?
Army time or military time, right? So this is military time.
Or military time.
Military time, very good. Now, tell me, what is the 12-hour clock known as? So this is military time. That's 24-hour clock, but what is the 12-hour clock?
Regular clock.
Regular clock? I guess we call it that. I want something more specific.
Standard time.
Standard time. All right, standard time could work as well. Something a little bit more specific. So think about it. If this is military, right? If this is military, right? How many persons here work in the law enforcement department? Anyone here work in the law enforcement department? No. So Nathan, you work in the law enforcement department? It's Nathan. I'm so surprised. I'm not answering Nathan. What you gotta ask? Antoine, how you doing, Antoine? I wonder if they could hear me. Hello, hello. Okay, I think I'm audible. Divine, where's Divine?
Yeah.
Okay, do you work in the law enforcement department?
No.
No, right? So if you're not working in law enforcement, what do we call you? If you're not in the military, then you are what?
Civilian.
Civilian. Very good, Matthew. So this is called civilian time.
Hold on. So like you can use citizen too?
Citizen time, I guess. I mean, I want to use civilian instead, right? So military time versus civilian time. Either of them works too. Call it standard time, regular time. But using the word civilian time. We're gonna start from 11. Now the thing about civilian time is that we have AM and we have PM. Army time don't have no AM or PM. We don't have none of that stuff. All right. So, excuse me, I cannot see your screen. So let me stop sharing and share again. So, good. Let's go back here. So 11 a.m. in Army time, Amaya. What is 11 a.m. in Army time?
Man, I ain't gonna lie, wait.
You ain't gonna lie, what?
Wait.
1100.
Yeah?
1100. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Jensen, for saving the day.
No, I literally just say that though.
No, not true.
Yes, it is. I said 11. I was guessing.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie.
All right.
I ain't gonna lie. That was my answer to say. And I appreciate that, Jensen. You can give me a chance.
Oh man.
Oh boy. All right. Okay. Serenity. Yeah? How you doing, Serenity?
Yes, sir.
Good. What is 12 p.m. in Army time?
1200 hours.
Oh boy. They ain't giving the people a chance to answer. It's 1200 hours. All right. 1200 hours. All right. Who else I could ask? Maybe I could ask. Say it again.
In the summer we do the same. I know. Must be.
We? Summer students. Well, we did, you know. So that means you should know. What is 1 p.m. Jasmine in 24-hour clock?
105? No.
No.
1300.
1300. Yeah, 1300. Yeah. All right, so Aliyah, what is 2 p.m.? Aliyah. What is 2 p.m. in military time? I mean, yeah, what's
1200.
1400.
1400. Thank you so much. 1400. Aunt. Albany, what is 3 p.m.?
1600.
Albany. Not Terrell. I'm not from Albany, so go ahead, Terrell. I guess since you want to answer.
1600.
No, after 14 is what?
15.
15, very good. So it's going to be 1500. Sorry. And, excuse me, and then 5 p.m. is what? No, sorry, missing 4. 4 p.m. is what in military time? Anyone can answer?
16.
16, very good. And then we can stop at 5. 5 p.m. is what in military time? That's gonna be
17.
What? 1700. All right. Now we could continue on and on, but I think you all get the picture from just this brief table. Okay. So if we have 11 a.m., that's gonna be 1100 hours.
17.
That was 5. Yeah, 5 is 17. If you have 11 a.m., that's 1100 hours. If we have 12 p.m., that's going to be 1200 hours in Army time. And also civilian time is also called standard time. For those who, for another name for it, if you want. Then we have 2 p.m., that's 1400. 3 p.m. is 1500. 4 p.m. is 1600. And 5 p.m. is 1700. So what is 6 p.m.?
1800.
1800. Very good. All right, so then there's that. Let me ask a question. What is 12 midnight? So this is a good one. What is 12 midnight in Army time? Someone said it?
24.
Not 24. Not 24. 0.
22.
Not 22.
2400.
It's actually it's 0, 0, 0. Or 2400 is the same thing. But we typically use 0, 0, 0. We go back to 0. All right. So from 23, we go to 0.
23?
No. Midnight is going to be 0.
23.
No, 11 is 23. 11 p.m. is 23. And then after 11 is 12 midnight, and that's going to be 0.00. So now we have that prerequisite information. I think we're ready to talk about Janet on a journey. So let's begin with example 1.
Oh, Miss Petit, I didn't get that down yet.
All right. Take a screenshot for me, please.
Okay, thank you.
All right, good stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead. This is yeah, now we're ready to talk with Janet on a journey. So Janet.
Hold on, Miss Petit, you can go back to the slide again.
All right, no problem. Nathan.
Yeah.
Can you put your name, please? I can't be saying Gino plays. I can't be saying that.
I thought it did. This is my second laptop. The other laptop, I couldn't hear you for nothing. I had to use the
Oh,
caption.
oh, you couldn't hear us. Can you change that name still? Do me a favor.
I tried before I ended. I guess it didn't do. I probably leave and join, but probably switch.
Well, don't worry about that. But for the next time, try change it for me.
All right.
That's a weird name though. Wow, it's weird.
Again.
All right. Gino plays. Wow, interesting. God, it's covered some interesting names, boy. All right, let's finish talking about Janet, shall we? Nathaniel, are you here? I'm not hearing from you. Where's Nathaniel? Are you here? Let me know. Nathaniel, very good, Nathaniel. Good stuff. Good to hear from you. So Janet went on a journey. And this journey took, say, 1 hour and 20 minutes, excuse me. That's how long the journey took. Now she arrived at her destination at, let's say, 1:05 p.m. Calculate the time when she started her journey. All right, so let's consider that. So she went on a journey. The journey took 1 hour and 20 minutes. She arrived at 1:05 p.m. Calculate the time that she started her journey. Can someone, anyone, let me go and give a guess of what time she started her journey? Okay, Mr. Ferguson. Anyone could guess what time you think she started the journey? She started 13:05. What time she started the journey? She arrived at 1:05 p.m. What time she started the journey? Anyone? Want to give it a guess? Try. And she started at 12 o'clock.
11:45.
11 what?
I ain't in the right mind. I said 11:45. I ain't sure. I ain't good at this.
You only got a okay. She said 11:45. Interesting. How did you get 11:45?
11:45.
All right. 11:45. Okay. How did you get 11:45, Mr. Sean?
I just gone like back since we say her that she arrived at her destination at 1:05, so I just like going back 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Going back 1 hour and 20 minutes. Okay. All right. Anyone else before we actually do it? Okay, so let's try it on our own. Okay, so we have the destination that she arrived, a final destination, or the time of a final destination is 1:05, right? That's the time that she arrived, all right? Now, Bino, are you there? Mr. Bino?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you tell me what is 1:05 in military time? $1:05 in military time, what is it?
1305.
1305. Yes. Pino, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. So 105 is 1305 in military time. So that's the first thing we got to remember. So we have hours. All right.
Sorry, Mr. Madi.
Go ahead.
Can you go back to the last slide, please? I want to take a screenshot of the hours.
You mean that?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Whatever camera that is, that sounds like one of those Bgcse.
Oh, this all right. What's the iPhone camera?
iPhone camera. Oh, okay. All right, you don't know to show off like that. With us.
You asked me.
I know you show it off, man. You got to show off like that. You could say that. You could have said that's an Alcatel, man. At least make us feel good. At least make us feel good.
No offense.
No offense. All right. So 105 is her start. So she ended at what, 105 p.m. So we're gonna start off with that. The hours, minutes, we're gonna put 105. 1 hour and 5 minutes, right? And we're gonna subtract that from what? We're gonna subtract it from.
Okay.
Six. And subtract it from what?
1 hour and 20 minutes.
1 hour and 20 minutes. Very good. I think that's for Saturday, right?
Yes, sir.
1 hour and 20 minutes. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna subtract that. Good. So, and the thing is with this, right?
Oh yeah, we did it before.
We did it before?
And I was getting some deja vu.
Okay, all right. Okay, so that means y'all should be on top of this. All right, so we have 105 minus 120. How are we gonna do it? Because if we do 105 minus 20, the problem is that you can't subtract 5 from 20. So we have to borrow, but we'll end up having a 0 here, and that means that it'll be weird because it'll be that you borrow the 0, you get what you have, but it'll be mixed right up. So it won't give us the right answer. So the best thing for us to do is to change this to military time. All right. So we're gonna change the 105 to military time. So this is gonna be hours. All right, and minutes. And what did we say 105 in military time again? 1305, right? So hours and minutes. We said that this is 1305. So 1305. And we're gonna subtract that from what? 1 hour and
1 hour and 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay. Now this is the part where it gets a little tricky and you have to be paying attention, right? Okay, so the problem is that we have 5 minus 20, right? It's impossible for us to subtract 5 minus 20, right? Because then we get a negative and we can't do that. So we have to borrow, right? Borrow from who? Borrow from which number?
3.
Borrow from the, someone say the 3.
The 1.
Someone say the 1. Okay, no. In fact, we have to borrow from the whole 13. And so we are going to take, so when we take, we're gonna borrow hour. So this becomes 13 minus 1 is what?
12.
Very good. It's gonna be 12. And we're gonna borrow an hour. All right, we're gonna borrow an hour. So we're borrowing an hour, right? But what is 1 hour in minutes? 1 hour is how much minutes?
60.
60 minutes, very good. So you have to be careful because when you're borrowing an hour, you're actually borrowing 60 minutes. It's going to be 60. So be careful with that. So even though I did borrow an hour is 60 minutes. So that's why I have 60 plus 60. Okay, so be careful with that. You have to borrow the whole 60. Okay, so that means that, let's move this along. It's going to be, this means that we have an hour. We have the hours here, and minutes here. Okay, so how much hours do we have on this side? How much hours?
12 hours.
Okay, 12 hours. 12 hours. And how much minutes do we have?
65?
65. Very good, Amaya, because 60 plus 5 is
65.
65. Good. So it's going to be 65 right now. And then we have minus 1 hour and 20 minutes. Okay. Now, Aiden, where's Aiden?
Yeah, well,
What is 5 minus 0?
5.
5, very good. Antoine, are you there? Where's Antoine? Not hearing from Antoine.
I'm here.
Okay, good. What is 6 minus 2?
2. That's 4.
4. Is this Stella also?
No, sir. She's coming though.
Okay. What is 2 minus 1?
1.
1, very good. And 1 minus 0 is going to be 1. And so that means that her start time for the journey, all right, is going to be what?
11:45.
11:45 a.m. or p.m.?
AM.
A.m., very good, 11:45 a.m. Okay. So Zion, what did you say again? What was your answer? You say initially?
11:45.
Okay, good. So you were correct. Did you do it this way, Zion?
Oh no, I don't get it this way.
You didn't get it
Well,
this
I
way?
get it, but it's too much work.
It's too much work. But how else will you show your work in? That's the problem.
Go with God.
Oh, Zion, you some know. All right. Okay. Any questions on this? Let me ask.
I am Mr. Petit.
Go ahead. Yes. What's your question is?
My teacher just tried to kill me with some work, so I won't be able to stay for the lesson. Probably have to look it up on the recording, but I have to try see if I could get to that work.
Okay, sure, no problem. No problem. That's fine.
Okay,
And then,
thanks.
okay, and let me ask. Let me see the process of the bottom. Noah. Where's Noah? Noah, are you there? I don't hear from Noah. It's not good. Noah, it's not good. Not good at all. Okay.
Pardon me?
Noah, are you there? Are you there, Noah? I don't know. I can't hear from him. Renshawn. Hello, Renshawn, are you there? Can't hear from Renshawn either. All right, can you let me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I was asking for Noah. Is Noah here?
Yeah, so
Okay, you have any questions for me based on what we just did? Anything you don't
no,
understand?
so
Okay. How about you, Javin? Javin Ferguson. Any questions for me? Okay, and a few back. Michaela Maki. Any questions for me based on what we just did?
No, sir.
All right. How about you, Malaya Smith? Malaya, are you there? Malaya? Okay, can't have from Malaya. And Michael. Are you there, Mr. Michael? I don't understand how you could be quote unquote the greatest of all time and you can't have in class. How does that make sense? And yes, Mr. Greatest of all time, and we can't hear you answer a question in class. What's up?
No, because
What's this?
if I be in the
You sure?
yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand what we just did? Or you have some questions?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. All right then. I open the exercise is coming ready to go. Jason, any questions for me?
No, sir.
How about you, Jazaria Ferguson? Any questions for me on this? Where's Jazaria? Jazaria Ferguson. Where's she? Okay, any questions for me on this?
No, sir.
Okay. And what's her name? Malaya? Are you there, Malaya? Malaya Smith.
yes, sir.
So what happened? I've been calling you recently. Where were you?
Oh, I stepped out.
Oh, you stepped out. Oh.
Yes, sir.
If you're stepping out, please put in a message so that in the chat so I can know that you're leaving so I wouldn't call your name in vain, okay? All right. But do you understand what we just did? Or you need me to do it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Sienna, I think that's how I go. Sienna, roll. Any questions for me?
No, sir.
Okay, how about you, Rosario?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, so let's move on. Garanick Farrington. I think that's the last name. I with Francis. Sorry, Garanick Francis. How you doing? Where's Garanick? Let's do another example. All right, so example number 2. So let's say that Suzanne went on again. Yes, that's Garanick. Is that Garanick? Which took 1 hour and what, 20 minutes? She arrived at a destination. No, it can't be I want 20 minutes. We did it last time, and I want 40 minutes. She arrived at a destination at 1:05 p.m. The question is, calculate the time. Calculate the time. She started the journey. Calculate the time that she started the journey. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do here is we are going to put down our hours and minutes sign. So it's gonna be hours and then minutes. Zion, what time are we gonna put above, like for the first one? Zion.
1:05 p.m.
At 1:05 p.m. because that's the ending time. It's the end time. 1:05 p.m. And then we're gonna put 1 hour and 20 minutes below because that's the duration, right? No, it wasn't not 20 minutes. It's 40, 1 hour and 40 minutes. Thank you. 1 hour and 40 minutes. All right. And Rosario, where's Rosario? Rosario, are you there? I can't hear from Rosario. Where are you, Rosario? Hello, hello there. Oh, there, come on. Shazman, are you there, Shazman?
All right, yeah.
Okay. What operation are we going to be performing between these two durations of time?
Would you say?
What operation are we going to be using?
Operation? I don't.
Yeah, are we gonna add them, multiply them, subtract them, divide them? What?
Subtract.
Subtract. Yeah, that's what I mean by operation. Sorry about that.
Lost for a second.
All right. All right. Ziana, Roll, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Do you understand what's going on?
Pardon?
Do you understand what's going on? Do you understand what's going on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you taking notes?
So,
Say it again.
you breaking up.
Oh, I'm saying, are you taking notes? Are you taking notes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Question. What is 1 hour, 1:05, what is 1:05 p.m. in military time?
13.
Very good, 13:05. Terrell. Yes, Terrell Neely. What are we gonna subtract 13:05 from? Or what are we gonna subtract with 13:05? Like what goes at the bottom?
1 hour.
10:40.
1 hour and 40 minutes. Very good. And then Rakia, Kia Rule, are you there?
Yes.
Who are we gonna borrow from?
13.
13, and it becomes
Two
what?
person, right? How you all get it?
Say it again.
How did you get it?
How we get? How do we get what?
This, yeah.
How do we get what?
How did you all get the third?
Oh, how do we get 13? Oh, very good question. Were you here for this at the beginning?
No,
Yeah. Yes, yes,
Yo, I
Mr.
thought I get the 13.
Yes, Mr. Greatest of all time.
All right, I can screenshot it right now.
Yeah, screenshot that. All right. So we got the 13 because 1
I get it.
is 13 in 1 p.m. is 13 in military time. All right. Okay. So we got that. Now let's go here. So who's next to ask the question? Rakia. What is 5? Oh, sorry. When we borrow from the 13, what does the 13 become, Rakia?
12.
Well, very good. And Mr. Renchon Rule, are you there? Say it again. All right. My question. When we borrow 1 hour from the 13, what does it become? What does the minute side become? 60. Say it again. I can barely hear you, but I hope you're saying 60. So it's 60.
Yeah,
All right. So we add 60 plus 10. We add 60 because 1 hour is 60 minutes. All right. So you can't just say, oh, I borrow in 1 hour and I just put 1. No, you have to borrow 60 minutes because it's a whole hour. All right. So you're borrowing a whole hour. So it's going to be plus 60. All right. Good. When we send this over, this is going to be, so tell me what's who's next? Rashadane.
Yes, sir.
Good. So on this, the next time we write this, right? What's gonna be on my minutes side? How much is gonna be on my minute side?
65.
65. Very good. And Otessa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is gonna be in my hours? What number is gonna be in my hours side? Am I gonna keep the 12 or use 13? Otessa.
Use 12.
Very good. I'm gonna use 12. And Noah, what am I gonna put at the bottom? Noah? Where's Noah?
So
What am I gonna put at the bottom? Right here. Say it again.
4.
I really can't hear him. Think it can. Say it again, Noah. Oh, I think his internet is not working properly. So I can't. Y'all got him? I can't hear him.
I can hear him.
Y'all got him? What do you say?
140.
Oh, y'all actually heard him. Sheesh. Okay. 1 hour and 40 minutes. Minus. All right, good. Nathan, what is 5 minus 0? 5. Miguel. Where's Miguel? Miguel Smith.
Yes, sir.
What is 6 minus 4?
2.
2. Very good. Michael, what is 2 minus 1?
11.
2 minus 1 is 11. Sheesh.
2 minus 1.
2 minus 1 is 1.
You said the answer.
Yeah, just
What is 1?
Oh, okay. All right. I trying to figure out how 2 minus 1 get 11. I still trying to figure it out. But
It probably like 12 minus 1.
no. He said He said 2 minus 1 is 11. That's what he said. Don't try to correct him. Right. Michael.
Who's your maths teacher, boy?
But he's in a good place. He's in the perfect place. I think he meant 12 minus 1. That's what I think he meant. So I cut him some slack on that one. So it's 11:25 a.m. or p.m.?
AM.
AM. All right. So please make sure I put the AM on that because we are dealing with civilian time. So you have to put the AM. All right. So then there's that. All right. So 11:25 a.m. Rosario, are you there? Where's Rosario? I'm not there from Rosario at all. Let me see if I can reach her mother because I'm not from this young lady. I hope she's all right. Okay, so are we ready for the exercises?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Malaya Smith. That's Malaya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any questions from you?
No, sir.
Okay. Hello, Rosario. How you doing? Yes. Yeah, I called you inside the class. I can't hear from you. What? You can't be serious. At least you got a message in the chat and say you leave it. All right. Oh, child. Oh, my. Oh, my. And you come right out of Chalmers. Oh, my God. You have to share. All right.
Don't lie, she eating it.
Yep. That's exactly. Oh, my. Oh, my.
There's no way.
I know, right? She gonna get ice cream? I was like, what? Ice cream? Like, wow. So I don't know. In the middle class, you just was like, I think I can use some ice cream right now. Like, who does that? Y'all do that?
Must be nice, bro.
I know, right? Wow. Anyway, well, I wish there was a way to virtually share, so that way everybody in there could get some ice cream. Don't worry, one of y'all gonna invent something like that. Virtually share food. Oh, that'll be so cool. Huh. All right.
Right, bro.
All right, no problem. Okay, so are you bringing on for no ice cream? Either. Okay, so all right, so let's continue. So we have exercise number 1. I used Janet twice. Oh, I used Suzanne. Okay, so let's use another person name. I don't know. So let's say Ariana went on a journey which took, let's say the journey took 1 hour and 1 hour, sorry, and 50 minutes. No, let's say 30 minutes, right? Hour and a half. She arrived at the destination. She arrived at her destination at, we'd say, 1:05 p.m. 1:05 p.m. Calculate the time she started the journey. That's the first one. And then the second one, I'm only going to give you 2. Now, we know for these things, the first thing that you're going to do is put your hands inside the chart. That's the first thing. The second thing that you're going to do is take a picture of your class notes and send it to me. Should I do a bonus today with this? Do we need a bonus?
You won't even go right with that. You could keep that.
Keep the bonus?
We good.
No. Y'all just all right. That's the problem.
No. We just good. We good.
Oh,
Oh my
right.
God.
Yes. You got
I knew he gonna say bonus.
a nice bonus. Y'all only got 2 questions.
But that don't mean nothing though.
I don't mean nothing. Y'all only get 2 questions.
Oh, okay.
Which took, I said the journey took 2 hours and 47 minutes. She arrived at a destination. On mic is she arrived at a destination at let's say this thing took instead of that, let's say they took quite some minutes. She arrived at a destination at 27 at 27 2:13. At the time she started jumping. Good. It's a good bonus. And let's go. All right, so try that for me. Like I said, the first thing that you're going to do is put your answer inside the chat. The second thing that you're going to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Please do that for me. Okay, so let's begin with maybe Serenity. Serenity.
Yes.
You understand what's happening? You understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Are you gonna do the bonus?
No.
What? Why? Oh my. Maybe.
Not today.
Say not today. Jadon. Where's Jadon?
Me.
You're gonna do the bonus, right? I know you're gonna need to do the bonus.
Yes, sir.
All right, good stuff. And where are we? Well, Rosario said join the bonus. Good stuff. Aaliyah, you understand what's happening?
Yeah, so I'm doing number 2 right now.
Okay, that's good. And Amaya,
So
why are you so quiet today, man?
I'm occupied so much things right now.
I figured you probably eating. You eating?
No, I ain't eat. Oh no.
Oh, lie that. You eating? I mean, caviar.
Caviar.
Sauteed lobster. with some
Maybe
with some arugula on the side. All right. You understand what's happening, Amaya? You understand how to do this?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Tell me you're doing the bonus. Please tell me. Please tell me you're a good student since you missed the holiday yesterday. You trying to
I doing the bonus right now.
All right, thank you, Deshaun. I hope Amayo follows your example.
Listen, I am not a well. I am my own person.
Well, I hope you show
I will
him.
do this.
I
I will
hope
do this on my own.
on your own
basis.
terms. Okay.
Yeah,
I hope you do the bonus on your own terms.
I will. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my. Amayo, stop messing up. Jason, Nick, how do y'all deal with Amayo, man? How do y'all what's the formula, man? How do y'all
We don't. That's the key right there. We don't deal with that at all.
that's the key. Wow.
I wouldn't even start on Jason Eek. You think I what? This be getting on her too.
Wow. Jason Nick is a good girl, man. She comes to class on holidays. Antoine. Yes,
Hey, hey, hey.
Antoine, where's Antoine? Antoine. I know what happened.
Yes, sir.
Antoine? Okay. What happened? I was near you for a few moments there.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yes, sir, but I'm here. I'm here.
All right, good stuff. You understand what's happening? How to do it?
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay.
not sure answer though.
Which one?
For the bonus. The bonus.
The bonus, yeah. Well, the bonus is something. Angela, where's Angela Pennerman? Are you there? Angela Pennerman. Okay, she says she's there. And Antoine. Oh yeah, Antoine. Ashton Taylor. Where are you? Where's Ashton? Ashton Taylor, are you there? Ashton Taylor. I'm not hearing from Ashton. That's not good. Daniel's mic doesn't work. So that's not good. I need to hear from him. Aiden Johnson, are you there? That's Aiden.
Yes, sir.
You understand what's happening?
I finished.
You finished, okay. Did you send in your work to WhatsApp and all?
I used to send out that I tried.
Say it again?
I used to send out that I tried the bonus.
Okay, all right, no problem. By now, is all clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, Deja, you understand what to do?
Huh?
You understand what to do?
Just making sure. Yes, sir.
Okay. And did you do the bonus?
I'm about to learn it right now.
Okay, all right. All right, and who else out there? It's Divine. Who's Divine? Divine.
Yes.
All right. Do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you send in your work?
No, sir.
How about in the WhatsApp chat? Did you send it? I mean, not the WhatsApp. The Zoom. Do you understand what to do, or I need to explain something again?
I understand.
Okay. You're just working it out still. Huh? Especially Divine. You're just working it out still.
I number 2.
Okay. All right. Okay. Destiny. You understand how to do this?
Not really, but I can attempt it.
Okay. I know you just arrived, so. Deshaun and Dylan, how are things looking on your side?
It's good. I just bonus.
Okay, you doing the bonus or are you already finished?
Oh, I already finished. I already finished.
Okay, that's good. And send me your work though. I ain't get it. I haven't seen it yet. And Diamond.
Yes, sir.
You finished?
Yes, my answer started already.
Did you send me your work?
Pardon?
Did you send me your work? Hey, Diamond, did you send me your work via WhatsApp?
Pardon?
Did you send me the work via WhatsApp?
No.
Oh, okay. When are you gonna send that?
I can do that now.
Please. Next person. Frank Pong. Frank Pong Kantangka.
Yes, sir.
How are we looking?
Hi.
I don't see none of your answers. Neither from the chat or none.
Go with different number. The bonus.
All right. Did you send in your work from the?
Yeah, I sent it. I sent it.
Did you put it in the WhatsApp chat? I mean, yeah. Did you send it to my WhatsApp? Say it again.
I done everything.
I see none from you, Frank Pong. Oh, Frank Bong, I ain't get none from you. Hey, Frank Bong, I ain't get none from you. But you said everything.
Like I lied.
Huh? You're lying. That's what you're doing. Huh? Why are you lying to me?
No, I number one, number two on the Zoom chat.
Oh, you sent in the Zoom chat. Okay.
Yep.
All right. And Jada, how things looking for you?
I just put my answers in the comments. I can send it to you now on WhatsApp.
Please.
Do you want me to email it to you, or should I wait till I just finish everything?
Yeah, wait till you finish everything. That makes sense. Karanique, have you finished? Where's Karanique Francis? Karanique, are you there? Where's Karanique? Hello, Karanique, are you there? Zion.
I don't need no negativity. I did it.
I know. You know. I just gotta. You know what I was gonna say. Zion say I don't need no negative. Zion say my way. All right. Interesting. Okay. And Noah.
Hold on, I have a bonus one wrong. I can put my answer in the chat right now.
Okay. All right. No problem. All right. So let's try it. Okay. So with this one, with the first one, basically what we have to do, what we have really is we have 105. We translate that into 1305. So that's 1305 minus what? Minus, we'd say 1 hour and 30 minutes. Remember, this is hours. Okay, and this is minutes. Remember, we could borrow. This becomes 12. So this is 12, 12. And this is 60, right? We have to add 60 to this one. 60 minutes. So this is hours. This is minutes. So we have 12 hours and 65 minutes. Minus 1 hour and 30 minutes. So 5 minus 0 is definitely 5. 6 minus 3 is definitely 3. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's going to be 11. 11:35 a.m. That's just 11:35 a.m. All right, next up we have
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Wow.
How did you get the 6 for the 65?
Well, remember, if you look carefully, right? We borrowed what? We borrowed 1 from 13, right?
Yes, sir.
But that's an hour. That's 1 hour. The 1 hour is how much minutes? How much minutes is an hour?
60.
60. That's where the 60 comes from. Okay. So we borrow 60 minutes. And what is 60 plus 5?
65.
5. All right. That's how we get 1265. Okay. Understand now? Destiny, you understand?
Understand.
Okay. Good. Let's do another one. This is gonna be what? Let me I think that should be enough space. So it's gonna be what? We have 13:05. So it's gonna be what? We have hours. We have minutes. What is 1:05 in Army time? It's gonna be what? 13:05 minus what? 1 hour and 50 minutes.
104.
And so we try to subtract that, but we have to borrow, right? We have to borrow 12, 1 from 12, 1 from 13, give us 12. And this becomes 60 plus 5. And what is that? That's gonna be what? That's gonna be 12. So it's hours, it's minutes. It's gonna be 12 hours and 65 minutes. And so it's gonna be 1 minus, so 12 hours and 65 minutes minus 1 hour and 50 minutes. So 5 minus 0 is gonna be 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 12 minus 1 is 11. So it's 11. So the answer is 11, 35, 11:15, sorry, AM. $11:15 AM. All right. How many persons got the first 2 right? First 2 right.
Me.
Okay.
Me.
Me, that's good. Me, that's good. Very good, y'all. I see inside the chat, people have answers, but they don't have AM or PM on the side of it. So I'm trying to figure what is that? How do you got the answers with no AM or PM on the side of it? What is it? What is it? It's not 11:35 or 11:15.
that, but
And I
I
need to
didn't realize that, but it was too
too late. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's look at it. Is Miss Cooper here? Jamisha. Is she able to make it? Jamisha. I hear from Jamisha. And okay, so let's do the bonus. The bonus says that Clara went on the journey, which took 3 hours and 47 minutes. She arrived at the destination at 12:13 p.m. Sorry, 2:13 p.m. What is 2:13 in military time?
14:13.
14:13, very good. It's gonna be 14. It's gonna be 14:13. So it's gonna be 14. 14:13. All right, and we're gonna minus it from what?
3:47.
Again?
3 hours and 47 minutes.
3 hours and 47 minutes. Well, that is speaking. Kind of. Shade on. Shade on. So it's gonna be so it's gonna be 3 hours and what?
47 minutes.
Good. Subtract it. But it is still hours. It's still minutes. Okay. Now we still need to borrow, right? It's gonna be what? If it's hours, it's gonna be what?
14.
It's gonna be what? 13.
15.
And then it's gonna be if we do this.
60.
Yeah, plus 60. Thank you. So 60 plus 13. So what we have on this side, we have hours. It's still what? 13 hours, right?
And 73 minutes.
How much minutes do we have?
73.
60 plus 13, right? That's 73. Thank you. Still 3 hours and 47 minutes. So 3 minus 7, we can't do that, so we have to borrow this, becomes what, 6? Now this is what, 13. 13 minus 7 is going to be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6 minus 4 is 2. 13 minus 3 is 10. So the answer is going to be what?
Okay, but I still right.
10. Oh, but you wasn't sure that you were right. You see how long you take?
No, we're not put my answer right.
You see how long you take to confirm that? But you were so close, Zion. I don't know why you stopped. You was close.
I got mixed up, so I just say let me do it my way.
Yes, Rosati, yo, good old way. Go ahead.
why you change 7 and 73 to 6?
Because remember I had to borrow because 3 minus 7. You can't take away. You understand that?
Also.
All right, so that's what it is. All right, any other questions for me? Any other questions based on this?
No, sir.
All right. Amaya, how we looking?
You breaking up.
I'm breaking up. Okay. Let me check my internet. See what's happening. Yeah. Okay. How about now? Am I still breaking up?
You aren't ready for me.
Okay. Am I right? Okay. Thank you, Divine.
You are for me.
All right. Y'all, I'm breaking up, or I can tell you.
You were just a while. Right. Now, what?
All right. Amaya, how we looking?
I get all right.
Okay, Zion, says she got all right. Okay. And anyone else? Okay, Nathan, you got all right. That's good. And Latre, how are you?
Oh, I was off. I was a little bit. I was off a little bit bonus. Oh,
Latre, Mackenzie, how are you looking?
Pardon?
How did you get? What did you get?
That you brought up a little bit. You were a bit down, madam.
I'm saying, what did you get? Did you get the questions right?
Yeah, for the bonus round.
For the bonus round, okay. And Jevin Ferguson, how you doing?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. How did you do with the questions?
I think I only got the bonus.
Okay. All right. And in Malaya Smith, how did you do?
All right.
All right. Wow. Including the bonus?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Miguel Smith.
I got it right.
You got all right, Miguel?
Notice how it's all Smiths.
Yes, sir.
Oh boy, I don't know. Some of these Smiths for real. I don't know. The Smiths are on the roll. Let's try the Marquis. Michaela Marquis. Where is she? Michaela. I'm not hearing from Michaela. Mr. Bethel, how did you do? Jensen Bethel.
Oh, yes, sir.
How did you do?
You get them right.
Okay.
But I got mark late. So,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Noah, how did you do?
Yeah, so
How did you do? Did you get any right at all?
I get the first two words.
That's good. That's pretty good. Shazmin. Where's Shazmin? Shazmin Butler.
Rachel.
Did you get any right at all?
I get one word because I attempt the bonus.
You want to attempt the bonus? What about the first two?
What is it?
What about the first two? Can you hear me, Shazmin?
Okay, I can hear you now. I did the first two questions.
Okay, did you get both of them right?
Yes, I got it right.
All right. That's good. That's pretty good. Who else? Ashton Taylor, are you there, Ashton? Ashton Taylor. I don't know. I'm not hearing from this Ashton Taylor personnel. Let me see if I can call his mother to check, see where he is. Oh no. I hope he's all right. I hope he's not in the kitchen. Oh, hey, Ashton. Yeah. How did you do with the questions? Because I didn't get no work from you at all. I got absolutely no work. You say they was easy, but I didn't get no work from you. You didn't send me no picture or none.
I gotta send you mine.
Sending them now. Please send them in. Send in the work as well. Not just only in Zoom, because some of y'all just be copying and pasting. Call no names. Jason, you think I should start calling names?
No.
Copy and pasting. I think I know someone in particular, but we ain't gonna go that route.
I want to hear the names.
Is it a Maya?
Oh, it'll be me.
It probably be a male or female.
Oh boy. I know someone.
I have a list. I have a whole list. I know she. No worry.
You know, okay.
No, she's be coughing though, and I
Good.
don't be coughing though.
All right.
Elizabeth, is male or female?
Male or female?
It's both. It's both.
It's both?
It's both.
No.
All right. My thing is I just concerned about those people who's posted last. They post after everybody then put the answer. Did you see they put this? Did you see they put the answer? After everybody then post, then they post. I was like, okay, yeah. All right. For real. All right. Let's end off with something nice and light. Let's go ahead. This should be okay, I guess. Depends on how you want to look at it. All right, so let's look at this exercise number section 2.
Mr. Petit, why, man?
Yeah. Nothing difficult, okay?
Mr. Petit, why, man?
Nothing difficult.
I think that's my cue to dip. I feel like that's my cue to.
Real, I had a long day. This negativity in my life actually.
It's not difficult. It's not difficult. I promise. I promise. I promise. I don't think I just give you a lot of work, in my opinion.
Yeah, but you see what you just type algebra.
Don't worry about the title. That's a smoke screen.
Me and algebra ain't the best of friends.
That's a smoke screen. So examples. I spell examples. I remember when I was a student and I was like, oh, algebra, oh, I don't like algebra. And I realized that, hey, this algebra thing, people just making a big deal out of nothing. Not about algebra, not a thing.
It ain't hard, but after a while you can start to forget it.
You can start
to get annoyed after some time. It's get annoying.
Yeah, I can understand that. Forgetting the rules, that's true. Right, so let's begin with number 1. Something, I guess interesting. I want to use that word. So we have 3C. Let's put it. Let's say that this is C to the power of 2. And 2 Z to the power of 3. Let's try
I feel like I know the answer.
Say it again.
Well, I feel like I think I know the answer, but I can wait till you do it.
Wait till I even all right, no problem. All right, so that's number 1. The first thing that we're gonna do with this one, Maya. The first thing we're gonna do with this one.
One.
Yes.
Like I probably know, but I don't know.
All right,
Let me
probably.
see.
Yes.
Like do the like terms, the like terms.
You do a multiplication, so you don't have to worry about like terms. Like terms.
You know the powers for you.
I think you have to
You gotta multiply.
2 and then add the 2 plus 3
You gotta multiply.
to the power of 5.
You gotta
Multiply what?
you gotta multiply 3 times 2 and
Very
then
good.
add C2
Very
plus
good.
C3.
That's what
Very good. So multiply 3 times 2. What is 3 times 2? It's gonna be
6.
what?
And
6.
then now Z to the power of 5.
Good. And then we're gonna do Z times what? Z to the power of 2 times Z to the power of 3, which gives us what? Z to the power
5.
power of 2 plus what?
3.
2 plus 3.
3, which is what?
5.
5.
So it's gonna be 6 to the power of 6Z, sorry, to the power of
6Z to the power of 5.
6 to the power.
I was right.
Good. Good. Let's try another one. Number 2. So say we have, does it matter what letter I use?
Nope.
Also,
So what do I say? 5A to the power of 4. What does the bracket tell us? What's the operation?
Multiply.
Multiply.
Good, multiplication. It's 9A to the power of 3. Okay, good. All right, good. So what's the first thing I'm gonna do?
Multiply
5.
5 by
9.
9, which is gonna give us what?
45.
45.
Very good, 45. And then I'm gonna multiply A to the power of 4 times A to the power of 3, which is gonna give me what?
4 plus 3.
4 plus 3. So it's same base, we add the powers, right? It's gonna be equal to 45 A to the power of what? 4 plus 3 is 7. Good, let's try another one. Let's try number 3. So number 3, I know y'all don't know y'all 7 timetables, so let me put 7. 7 B to the power of 5. Eight B to the power of, let's see, 4. Okay, good. So what we're gonna do is the first thing I'm gonna do here, multiply what?
8.
4 times 8. What is 4 times 8? Let me add this.
What?
4 times. Sorry, what is 7 times 8? 7 times 8. What is it? 66.
You confuse me because you say 4.
Sorry, 7 times 8. 7 times. What is 7 times 8?
56.
Hey, 66?
56.
No, man, I all say 66.
I say 56.
You know, buddy.
No, what is 7 times 8? What is 7 times 8?
56.
56. Okay, you had to look in the back.
It said 66.
You had to look in the back to check it.
No.
All right, B to the 5th power times B to the 4th
Some
power.
people do that for real.
Is B to the 5th power plus 4.
5 plus 4, very good. It's gonna be what? 56
56
A9.
the power of 9.
Of b to the power of
9.
9.
All right, good. So I think we're ready for our exercises. And should we have a bonus? Should we have a bonus with this?
No,
Yeah.
we good.
No.
Yes, bonus today.
Yes, bonus. Okay. Thank you for informing.
No.
When's in y'all order for
Give us a
bonus?
bonus.
Anyway.
All right. Let's do it then. You have a good bonus. Good bonus.
When you give us one long and hard one, hey, but anyway.
You have a good bonus. Don't worry about that. Right, Zion? That's Zion. You have a nice bonus, right?
If it have more than 4 numbers, I'd answer it.
Oh, you ain't have none but numbers. You ain't gotta worry with numbers. Numbers. You gotta worry with numbers.
Even
man.
worse, you
You
ain't
ain't
even got to worry about that.
You gotta worry with numbers. Don't let the numbers stress you. I can make it easy. You ain't got no numbers. All right? You ain't gotta worry with that.
No, you keep that.
Exercise 2. And it's gonna be
How many exercises?
exercise. Yeah, it's exercise 2. It's gonna be. So the instruction simply is to simplify. Simplify the following. What? We call them algebraic expressions. All right, so let's begin. All right, so 2 things. Number 1, put your answer inside the chat. That's the first thing. And the second thing, number 2, is to send a picture of your work in for me, please. So let's say we have 8 C to the power 4 multiplied by, say, 9 Z to the power of 6. Number 2, say we have 4m power of 2 multiplied by 6m to the power of 3. Number 3, let's say we have 7x to the power of 5.
Excuse me. How does so how to put like the power on the on this? Can I just like put P and the power?
No, just put the number next to the letter. So just put Z4 or something like that. All right.
Okay.
Three x to the power of 4. Number 4, we have 5 e to the power of 2 divided by 5 e to the power of 6 Number 5, we have 9, r to the power of 5, 3, r to the power of 3. Okay, and then the bonus. Yes, sir. Our favorite part, right? All right, so say we have.
Oh no, here comes the bonus.
I didn't start yet. Come on. It ain't gonna be that deep. So 2 m to the power of 4 times 3 m power of 5 times 4 m power 6 times 5 m to the power of 7. All right, so try that for me, please. Okay, good. Aaliyah. There's Aaliyah. Aaliyah Archer.
Yes, sir.
All right, do you understand what's going on? I know how to do it.
I think so.
Think so. What number you on? Number what? Go ahead, Aaliyah. What you say? Number what?
I'm on number 1.
I can barely hear you. Number. You said number 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's the first thing you're gonna do for number 1? Multiply with 2 numbers. Go ahead, Aaliyah. What's the first thing you're gonna do for number 1?
Pardon?
For number 1, what's the first thing you're gonna do? Multiply which 2 numbers?
You breaking up.
Okay. I'm saying for number 1, what is the first thing that you're gonna do?
The first thing I'm gonna do.
You said multiply 8 times 9?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then after that, what you do with the z's? Can y'all hear her? Because I can't hear her. Can y'all hear her? Hello? Hello?
No, I can't hear her.
I can't hear her.
I think she went mute.
Oh, I can't hear her either. Okay, Leo, here's what to do. Put your hands inside the chat for me, please. Let me see what you get. Nathaniel. Nathaniel. Where's Nathaniel?
Excuse me, Mr.
Go ahead, Divine.
You're supposed to like multiply for, see the little numbers?
Yeah.
Multiply them too?
You add them.
Okay.
Add them. Aiden Johnson.
Yeah,
How we looking? How we looking?
I on number 4.
Your number. Your number 4.
On number 4.
Okay, that's good. Nathaniel Miller, where's Nathaniel? Are you there? Mateo? I am at hand from Mateo. Ashton Taylor, are you there? Where's Ashton?
I got a bonus, a little easy.
Bonus a little easy, you sure? I hope it's right.
Is
Because I see your answer come right after Jensen answer, which is the exact same thing. So I know.
and so you may work.
Huh?
I said, and you may work in. I say you may work for all my questions. Oh.
Okay, all right then. All right.
Hold on.
I did.
What you say, Mr. Petit?
Not you. Never mind. She right. She save herself. all right, Amaya. Way to go. Antoine, how are you looking?
I do the bonus.
Okay, where's Antoine? Antoine.
I'm here.
Okay, did you send in your work?
I'm just about to.
Okay, please, for me, please. Aiden Johnson, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Did you send in your work?
Not this one, but I think the last one.
Do you understand how to do this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When are you gonna send it?
And I'm done.
Okay. By no, how are you looking?
I
Say it again.
done.
Okay, that's good. And
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, I'm done.
good. Jamisha. How you doing, Jamisha? Cooper. Jamisha Cooper. I'm good. Okay. Did you send in your work, Jamisha? I didn't get anything from you via WhatsApp. Okay. I'm so undone. Okay. Jasmine. Jasmine.
Yes, sir.
I haven't received anything from you, you know.
Well, you not freaking out. I don't know what happened.
I'm saying I haven't received anything from you. That's what I'm saying. Jasmine, is that you?
The Wi-Fi is freaking out.
I'm saying I haven't received anything from you. That's what I'm saying. You hear me? You hear me, Jasmine? Not hearing from her at all. No, that's not.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
May I be excused for a minute, please?
Sure, that's no problem. Diamond, any questions from you about this?
No, I understand.
Did you send in your work? All right, Terrell, Neely. Terrell, Neely, where's Terrell? I haven't received anything from you, Terrell, from this one. Rosaria, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Rakia, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Did you send in your work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Renshawn, are you done?
I said,
Okay. Miguel Smith,
Yes, sir.
are you done?
Yes, sir.
Did you send in the work?
I'm sending it in now.
Okay. And Matthew, we good?
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Malaya Smith. Where's Malaya?
Yeah.
All right. Did you send me your work?
Yes, sir.
Did you send it via WhatsApp too?
I send it now.
All right, please do that. Jasmine, where's Jasmine? Okay, she did say the internet was freaking out. The Trey McKenzie.
Yes, sir.
I haven't received none from you, you know. Oh, I see. I just see it now. Thank you. Javin Ferguson.
Excuse me, Mr. J.
Yes, ma'am.
I sent my bonus to you privately.
Okay. Send your bonus to me privately. No, send it so everybody can see.
I show up on my answer.
That's fine. Whereas you don't have to be shy. Who said that? That's what Rashada need. Rashada.
Yes.
You don't have to be shy, sis. Jevin, where's Jevin? Jevin Ferguson. Yeah. Jevin, I don't see your answers via WhatsApp. And I don't see your answers in the chat. So please send them for me, please. Yeah, you say you sent it, but I see it, Mr. Jevin. I sent them in the chat. Let me see. Okay, I see it. All right, Jim. Cesaria Ferguson. Where's Cesaria? Cesaria Ferguson. Are you there? Okay, I'm not able to hear from her. Karanik, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I haven't seen your work, you know.
I send them.
Yeah, what's up? Up.
Yes, sir.
And oh, you sent it to your mommy phone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good stuff. Ashton, did you send me something? Yes, Ashton. He said yes, okay. And so the only persons I have heard from was okay, so let's quickly do it because it's about that time. So let's do it quickly. We know that 8 times 9 is what? 72. And z to the power of 4 plus z to the power of 6 is gonna be what? Z to the power of
10.
Very good. And we have 4 times 6, which is what?
24.
24. And m to the power of 2 plus m to the power of times m to the power of 3 is m to the power of 5.
Yeah. Oh, I got one.
7 times 3 is gonna be what?
21.
7 times 3 is 21.
21.
And x to the power of 4 times x to the power of 5 is gonna be what?
9.
9. And then 5 times 5 is
25.
25. And p to the power of p to the second power times p to the sixth power is gonna be what?
P to the power of
P to the power of 8. And then we have 9 times 3 is gonna be what?
27.
7. And then r to the power of 5 times r to the power of 3 is gonna be what?
R to the power of 8.
To the power of 8. All right, 2 times 3 is what? 6. And then 4 times 5 is what?
24.
20. 20. So we have 20 times 6. What is 20 times 6?
120.
120.
Oh, 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 2 is 12, so it's 120. It's gonna be equal to 120. And then m to the power of what?
M to the power of 22.
Well, let's see.
What I tell you, I get it right.
4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 7 is
22.
22. All right. It's gonna be 120 m to the power of 2. Anyone got all right?
Me.
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 All right. Excellent. 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 All right. So this is a time where we break away for the health science and general science classes. So if you are not doing health science and general science BJC, you are free to leave. Make sure I send in the class notes for me, please. And also, please be here using the same time and the same link, which is the one that I send you already. It's the same link, that don't change. And so we're gonna meet one tomorrow at 6 o'clock. All right, so see you all later for those who have to leave, but for those who are staying, we're gonna continue.
Some memories in that class, boy.
Can you
Alright.
please go to the notes?
See you, Mrs. Petit.
Yes, man. Yes, sir. Take care.
I was asking if you go back to the notes and ask me if I snap a photo, please.
The notes from
Yesterday.
yesterday. We did yesterday. I don't remember we did yesterday.
I think y'all did some on mode, but then it went black. I think you ended it, but I didn't hear. I couldn't hear you.
Oh yeah, we did that. The modal price. Yeah, there's another section too. Section 1 was I can't remember what section 1 was. Section 1 was section 1 was this.
Okay, can I get a picture of the exercise, please?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, exercises. Thank you.
You should have been there for the bonus, man. That was a nice bonus.
I couldn't hear anything. I literally couldn't hear nothing. And then you just ended it. And then you didn't even answer me on email.
I didn't see your email, Deja. I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry. Please. I didn't see your email. When you say you messaged me an email, I was like, what, for real? I didn't see no email. But that's because I didn't check my email. So
It's all good. See you tomorrow.
yes, take care, Deja. Yes, mom.
Teacher Aubrey said her Wi-Fi acting up, so
Yeah, no problem. Thank you so much, okay? For letting me know that. All right, so we usually start what, health or general first?
Health.
How about that? Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is Tuesday, right? The what?
The 11th of October.
11th of October. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, I was called. Yes, ma'am. Hello. Yes, ma'am. I was calling because I was in there and Ashton in the class, but he ended up responding, so that's fine. Okay. Yeah, but he ended up responding and submitting what I asked for. So thank you. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, no problem. Okay, so this is not mathematics, it's gonna be what? Health science. The theme is, so in health science, the last thing we did was what? The last system that we did. You don't remember? I don't remember the last system that we did in health science. Remember?
System.
Say it again.
Skeletal system.
The skeletal system, very good. And we looked at the different different reasons why the skeleton is important. Yes, Jasmine. Jasmine, are you there?
Okay, now I back.
Okay, good. So what reason we said that the skeleton is important? What's the reason?
They help us function. Right?
Help us function. Be a little bit more specific. What? It helps what?
Help us walk, move.
Very good. Helps us to move. Very good. What else that the skeleton is important for?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Can
Go
I
ahead.
be because I'm not taking health science.
You taking generally?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure, no problem.
It makes us grow.
It makes us grow. No. There's another reason why I said that the
Can
skeleton is.
you repeat the question, please?
Yeah, I was saying, why is the skeleton important?
It gives our body shape.
It gives our body shape. Very good.
Because it protects our organs.
Internal organ. Yes,
It
very good.
produces red blood cells
And it
and
produces red blood
marrow.
cells. Yes, very good. And the bone marrow, good. So.
And it stores minerals.
And it stores
So
minerals.
when the body uses
Little organ.
Say it again, it what?
To protect our organs.
To protect our organs, very good. Question, what is the name of the part of the skeletal system that protects the brain?
cranium. Skull.
The skull or the cranium. What is the name of the part of the skeletal system that protects the heart?
Rib cage.
Say it again.
The
Say it again.
rib cage.
The rib cage, very good. What is the name? Excuse me. What is the name of the?
Excuse me, I can't see your screen.
You can't see my screen? Who said that? Said that they can't see my screen. They not scaring shit. How about now?
What is the topic?
Oh, we still in skeletal system, but we're gonna be looking at topic. Common versus scientific names of bones. So we're looking at the common versus the scientific name of bones. All right, so let's insert the table. You know, every time we come here, we're gonna draw a table of some sort. All right, so we have the common name. So bones, we call bones by different names. We have the common name for the bones, and when we say common name, what we mean by that is those are gonna be the names that common names are gonna be the names that, excuse me, common names are the names that we use in everyday life, okay? Those are the names that everyone is mostly familiar with when we're talking about these bones, all right? Then we have the scientific name. The scientific name is gonna be the names that we are gonna be using in science class, and also what doctors and medical professionals would call these bones or would relate to these bones as, or refer to these bones as. Okay, so common name versus the scientific name. So let's begin with the first, bone, and we're gonna call the skull. Okay. Does anyone know the scientific name for the skull?
Cranium.
Cranium. Very good. Cranium. So scientific name for the cranium is the scientific name for the skull, sorry, is the cranium. And like we saw, the skull is going to be, sorry, let me put it, let's go down here. Let's have a look at the skeletal system. Let's put a nice image of the system here. Maybe we could put, say, maybe this is good. Let me see. How does it look? Yeah, no. Unlabeled. I don't want to label diagram, so let's see, unlabeled. Good. Something nice. So maybe something looking like this, or even this. Okay, this is pretty good. So something looking like this. Let me put that there. Okay, good. So on this diagram, we know that the skull will be right here. That's the skull. And we say it's another name for skull, the scientific name for skull?
Cranium.
Cranium. Good. All right, now I'm going to point to this. What is the common name for this particular structure right now? The common name.
Jawbone.
Jawbone. Very good. It's the jawbone. Now, what is the scientific name for the jawbone?
Mandible.
Mandible. Right? Mandible. And then we have this structure here.
The shoulder bone.
Common name is the what?
Shoulder bone.
No.
What you showing? Collarbone.
It's collarbone. Very good. It's the collarbone. Thank you, Matthew. What's the scientific name for the collarbone?
The clavicle.
The clavicle. Very good. Clavicle. Spell that wrong. Clavicle. CLAVICLE. Good. And we have the shoulder bone. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
The only word I see now is skull.
The only word you see now is skull. Okay. Let me share the screen back again. How about now?
It's still loaded. I can see it now.
Okay, good. All right. The next one is the shoulder blade. All right, so it's a shoulder. That's the common name, shoulder blade. What's the scientific name for shoulder blade?
Scapula.
Scapula. Very good. SCAPULA. Scapula. Okay, good. Then we have this structure right here. Right here. What is the common name for this particular bone? The common name.
Your arm.
The arm, see the arm? No. It is the upper arm, but
Humerus.
the common name, we want the common name.
Upper arm.
Upper arm is actually it's interesting, it's actually called a funny bone. Kind of weird, but it's the funny bone right there. And the funny bone is called the humerus. All right. Then we have this thing in the middle, structure in the middle. What we call that? And to say it again, the
Breastbone.
the breastbone. Very good, Rashadane. The breastbone.
Sternum.
Say it again. Sternum, yes. So we call this the sternum. That's the breastbone. All right. Now, what do we call this right now? The same structure.
Your backbone.
Your backbone, or the common name that we give it is the
Vertebrae.
the common name is the spine. Yeah. Now the scientific name for this is gonna be the what?
Vertebrae.
Vertebrae. Yeah. Vertebrae. All right, then we have this particular bone right here.
It's bone. The hip bone.
Say it again.
Hip bone. Hip bone.
All right, you call it hip bone. Or what?
Your pelvis.
That is the scientific name for it.
Rectum.
Say rectum. Oh, what do you say you call it? You call it, sir? What do you call it? Say rectum. You're right. And the scientific name is the pelvis. And we have, let me go down below.
The water, right?
Huh?
You have more to write.
Yeah, we have way more already. Plenty more. All right, so the next one is the risk. And the risk scientific name is carpus.
Cap.
And then we have this bone right there, this long bone, which is typically the longest bone in your body.
Your thigh bone.
The thigh bone.
Very good, your thigh bone. How many body thigh bone is fat and thick or thick? You think if thigh bone is fat and thick or skinny and scrummy?
Fat.
Fat?
Fat and thick.
Fat and thick, okay. All right, the scientific name is gonna be what? The femur. Femur. So we have the kneecap.
Patella.
Patella, very good. Patella. And then we have the shin bone. And the shin bone is, by the way, this is the kneecap right now. We have the shin bone right now, which is the what?
Hold on, sorry. I mean the tibia.
The tibia, very good. Sheldon, are you very good at this? How come?
I just had a project on this.
Oh, okay, okay. Just had a project. Okay, what the project was about? Try to do.
You had to make a 3D model of the skeletal system, and we had to like label it. So yeah, and you had to put fun facts about it.
Okay, and what do you make yours out of?
Cotton, toothpicks, pipe cleaners, and Q-tips.
Q-tips, okay. I like that. The last thing is the ankle. This is what? Tarsals. Okay. So that
I
is.
thought it was the calcaneus, and the tassels is like. What?
Say it again.
I thought the ankle was the calcaneus.
Say it again.
I thought the ankle was calcaneus, like, and then like the foot was the tassels.
You have a point, you know, because you have the tarsals, the. Yeah, that's not right. That's not right. Yeah, it's not.
What is the metatarsals?
No, the metatarsals, I have it wrong here, but it's not the ankle. The ankle is not known as the tarsals. We have the metatarsals is So, okay, this right here is the metatarsals. You see that? This right here is the
That's the
tarsal.
phalanges.
Okay.
Like, and in the toes.
Say it again.
And the 40 phalanges in the toes.
Yes, you have the bottom one, the main bottom one is the, yeah, so the main bottom one is the phalanges, that's correct. Then the middle one is the metatarsals, and here is the tarsals. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, the ankles is tarsals. That's true. That's correct. Let me show you. If we look at, this is an unlabeled diagram, but if we go to a label one, you see what I'm talking. So, the bottom one is the phalanges, right? Then the middle one is the metatarsals. And then here is the tarsals there. Another one here. We have the, you can't see this one clearly, but if you look carefully, phalanges, metatarsals, and tarsals. Okay.
Yeah, Mr. B. That's why I was
But
asking
look, you
because
can see the arrow pointing at like the back. See, it's a calcaneus.
Where
The
you can,
same picture with one. Look, the arrow.
okay. Okay, let's see.
It's like, oh yeah, this is tarsals. I talking about the heel, sorry.
Yeah, you're talking about the heel. Yeah. Okay, very good. Very good to point that out. But it is the tarsals. So that's why I think this one bears it out much more clearer. We have the phalanges, the tarsal, the metatarsals, and the tarsals. They use the word taurus, but in other diagrams, the word tarsals is used. All right, tarsals, metatarsals, and then phalanges. So let me give you a better diagram, maybe. I like this one. I like this one. So these, that's a good diagram. So this is showing the scientific names of them, right? We have the skull. What's the common name of the skull? Sorry, what's the scientific name of the skull? Scientific
cranium.
cranium. What's the common name for the mandible?
Jawbone.
Jawbone.
Very good. What's the common name for the clavicle?
Collarbone.
Collarbone. What's the common name for the scapula?
Shoulder blade.
Shoulder blade.
Yeah, very good. What's the common name for the humerus?
Funny bone.
The funny bone.
The funny bone, very good. What is the common name for the femur?
Thigh bone.
Thigh bone. What's the common name for the pelvis?
Hip bone.
Hip bone, very good.
Hip bone.
Let me move from here. And what is the scientific name for the spine?
Vertebrae.
Oh, the vertebrae.
Vertebrae, very good. What's the common name for the patella?
Kneecap.
Kneecap. And how about the tibia? What's the common name?
The shin bone.
Shin bone. All right. All right. So I think we're pretty good on that. So that's the common name versus the scientific name for the skeleton. All right. Okay, let me ask you randomly. So see if y'all paying attention. Karanik, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Give me another word for the femur. The common name for the femur.
Thigh bone.
Thigh bone, very good. Diamond. Are you there, Diamond?
Yes.
Give me the scientific name for the breastbone.
Sternum.
The sternum, very good. Divine, are you there? Divine, where's she? Can't hear from Divine. Cesaria, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Give me the common name for the vertebrae.
What?
The common name for the vertebrae.
The vertebrae?
Vertebrae. Give me the common name for the vertebrae.
Spine.
The spine, very good. Rakia, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Give me another word for the kneecap.
The patella.
Very good, the patella. And Jasmine, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Give me the scientific name for the jawbone.
Did you say what? The jawbone?
Give me the scientific name for the jawbone.
Mandible, that's how to say it?
Mandible. Yeah. Mandible.
Yeah, mandible.
Okay, Jasmine, are you gonna send me the notes tonight? Where's Jasmine?
I sent screenshots. I screenshot it.
Well, I see you sent it.
No, I screenshot it to save in the phone.
Okay, so what happened to your hand? It broke it.
No, that's because I was trying to fix the Wi-Fi
Oh,
on the
okay.
laptop because I couldn't have my Annie phone.
Okay, all right, sure enough.
Now it's working now.
That's good.
That's why I wasn't answering because I couldn't hear.
Okay, all right. That's good. And Antoine.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow, loud and clear, man. What's the scientific name for the shin bone?
The tibia.
Very good. Natheo, where's Natheo? Natheo, are you there, Natheo? Natheo, are you there? Good. Natheo, can you tell me the scientific name for the wrist? Natheo, what's the scientific name for the wrist? Still waiting on Natheo for that. Carpals. Okay, very good. Natheo, did you send me your work via WhatsApp? Your notes from Max. My laptop keep freaking out. All right. Okay. Can you send me the notes from health science? I keep coming in and out. Okay. Send me the notes for health science. So write this down and send me it, please. Okay. All right. So we're done with health science. We're gonna move on to general. For those persons who do not do general science, you are free to leave, but make sure send me pictures of your class notes tonight, right before you go, right after you leave. Okay, so if you have to leave and you're not doing general science, you're free to go. But for those of us who are doing general science, yes, make sure send in your class notes, please.
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, so you're moving on to general science. What was the last thing that we did on general science? Anyone can remember? The last thing we did in general science. Last thing we talked about.
Function of the organelles.
functions of the organelles. Right, so we did the cell. Did we do the plant cell?
Pardon? So?
We haven't done the plant cell yet.
No.
Hey Matthew, we haven't done the plant cell.
No, sir.
Okay, all right then. All right then, so let's do this. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday. Tuesday the what? The 11th of October, 2022. The subject is, of course, general science. And we're looking at topic. Similarities and differences between the plant and animal cell. All right, so let's begin with the notes. All living things are made up of cells. But this does not mean that all of the cells look exactly alike or have the exact same parts. Here we distinguish two types of cells. Number one, the plant cell. Sorry, the animal cell. Number two, the plant cell. Certainly, these two cells, these two types of cells, have things in common, but they also have differences. All right, so even though all living things have cells, that doesn't mean that all the cells look alike. And it doesn't mean that all the cells have, excuse me, and that also doesn't mean that all the cells have the same parts. So that's very important. We're talking about two types of cells. The plant cell and the animal cell. So Cesaria, where's Cesaria? Cesaria Ferguson, are you there? Cesaria Ferguson. Okay, then I went from Cesaria. How about you, Antoine? Are you there? Antoine, are you there?
I'm here. Sorry.
Okay, good. Now, where do you think we can find plant cells?
In a plant.
In a plant, very good. Where do you think we can find animal cells?
In animals.
In animals, very good. Now we can look at the differences and similarities between the plant cells and animal cells. So let's look at the similarities first. The first similarities and then differences. So the similarity is that both plant and animal cells have a nucleus.
Didn't they both have a vacuole too?
Both, yes, both have vacuoles. Both. So both plant and animal cells have, both of them have mitochondria. Both plant and animal cells have cell membrane. So all of them have nucleus, all of them have some mitochondria, both of them, both the plant and animal cell. So let me put this up. Both of them have, like she said, both of them have vacuoles. All right. Any other similarity? Both of them have what? What else are we missing? Does both of them have a cytoplasm?
I don't think so.
Yeah, all two of them have cytoplasm. Okay. So both of them have the nucleus, the mitochondria, cell membrane, vacuole, cytoplasm. All both plant and animals have cytoplasm. Now the difference is that plant cells have chloroplasts, but animal cells do not. Plant cells have a cell wall. but animal cells do not. Have chloroplasts, do not have cell wall. Plant cell typically have well-defined shape. Animal cells often appear more in a more irregular plant cells have one major vacuole. One big vacuole, but animal cells have multiple vacuoles. All right. So those are the similarities and the differences between the plant cell and the animal cell. So let me show you the actual picture or actual drawing of it so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Plant cell. So this is a very good one to show you all. I like this. This is also good. Okay, this is perfect. So if we look at carefully at this image, we can see the plant cell and we can see the animal cell. All right, so the plant cell is going to have the plant cell and the animal cell, both of them are gonna have the nucleus, right? Both of them are gonna have the cell membrane. Both of them are gonna have the mitochondria, right? Both of them are gonna have cytoplasm. Now, cell wall, only the plant cell have that. Chloroplast, these green looking things, only the plant cell have that. And the vacuole of the plant cell, those is one big vacuole, right? But the animal cells, they're smaller. They don't have it in this diagram, but the animal cell has vacuole. So we can find a better picture. All right, so like he said, all of the cell membrane, all of them of the nucleus, all of them of mitochondria, the plant cell have chloroplast, cell wall, but animal cells don't have those things. And plant cell have one big vacuole. Animal cell have multiple small vacuoles, all right? Okay, so let me go back to this one. Any questions on this? Any questions on this?
What's up?
Okay. How about you, Antoine? Give me one difference between the plant cell and animal cell.
The plant cell has a wall and the animal cell doesn't.
Very good. Albernic, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Give me a difference between the plant cell and animal cell.
The plant cell have a social class.
Say it again.
The plant cell have a social class.
A what? A what? Go ahead, Albanic, say it again. I can't hear what she's saying. Diamond, can you give me a...
Okay, sorry, the plant cells have the chloroplast, but animal cells do not have the chloroplast.
No, that's not what I said. Oh, yes, that's true. That's true. Chloroplast. What's chloroplast used for anyway?
It's the
Hello?
It's used for what? It actually helps the plant to mix its own food. Right? And she's Darren Francis. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give me a similarity between the plant cell and animal cell. Hello, Diamond. Where's she is? Oh, that's Garanik. Garanik, I can't hear you. Sorry. Matthew, give me a similarity between the plant cell and animal cell.
Both plant and animal cells have a membrane.
Cell membrane, very good. All right, so that brings us to the end of this lesson. If you finish, copy down the notes. You could leave. If you're not, take a screenshot of it so that we could go. If you're done, you can leave. And have a wonderful evening and see you tomorrow at 6 o'clock. God's will.
Good night.
All right, good night, sir.